Hi guys, so far you have learned how to create a Power BI report in Power BI desktop. Now it's time to publish that Power BI report into Power BI service. So you can access it and share it online. So there are two ways to publish your Power BI report. First option is to click on the publish button located on top right corner of the Power BI desktop. And the second option is to go to file, then publish to Power BI. So both options do exactly same thing. You can use whichever one you want to prefer. Once you click on the publish, Power BI will display a list of all workspaces that you have access to. If you have multiple workspaces, simply select the one which you want to publish your Power BI report and click publish. It will ask, like, if the report is already published on your workspace, it will ask to replace the dataset. So for now, we can replace that dataset. That's it. Your Power BI report is now published successfully to Power BI service. To verify that your report has been published or not, you need to go to app.fabric.microsoft.com, sign in with the same account that you used to sign in Power BI desktop. So once you sign into the Power BI service, in the left panel, you will see the workspaces. It will show you all the workspaces list that you have access to. So for now, in my case, I can use my workspace. And there you will see the published report. You can click on the report file and you will see the dashboard that you have created. So when you publish a Power BI report, it will publish two objects. One is the visual copy and another one is the semantic model that we'll discuss in the later videos. For now, your report is published. Thank you for watching this video.